Hello everybody, my name is Kevin, and today we are going to be playing Would You Rather. Sorry for the delay of videos, because it's just that I had to figure out what was the problem, so, and also, uh, I'm trying to, I'm still trying to figure out how to hook it and to make videos on my 3DS, so, um, we're going to English. Okay, we encourage you to report questions you can consider inappropriate or good. So, this is happening since questions are sent by other players. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, would you rather never leave your city, never return to your city? Hmm. I would say never leave your city. Oh my god. Next, would you rather laugh or make others laugh? Actually, I want to make others laugh. Are you serious? Would you rather spend afternoon watching TV playing sports? Oh, that was a. Oh, what? Are you serious? More people would rather play sports than watch TV. Me, I'm not that kind of a sports guy. Would you rather eat sweet food or eat salty food? Oh, I'd rather eat that. Because if my brother was playing, he would rather eat salty food. Yeah. Would you rather be a superhero or the Christmas never ends? I would rather be a superhero. Because if I accidentally get struck by lightning or accidentally fell in toxic waste, I could just get like powers. But I also wanted to make my own version of stronger than you. Or like, okay, would you rather have a third arm or a third leg? Actually, I would go for a third arm because you know why? It would come in handy. Okay, okay, sorry, but that was a good pun. That was a good pun for this video right here. Alright? Would you rather travel to the year 1950 or 2050? I think I'm gonna have to skip this one because if someone invented the time machine right now, I would just take I would just take it. And, if it's a forward watch, I would just take it where it go back in time. Well, first of all, I would just go get one or like actually I would get like 10 shurikens because I know if I only get one shuriken, I would fail. But I'm going to go back in time, get shurikens, and actually first of all I'll go get shurikens, go back in time, aim for Hitler, and when he's like 20, I'll just throw a ninja star like, yeah, and then he'll die instantly, and then I'll take the ninja star and then turn to the present. So actually, I'll try with that. What? Why would everyone want to go to the future? I mean, if you go back in time, you can stop things from happening, like like end World War I, kill Hitler, all that stuff. I mean, come on. Okay, would you rather be a dog or be a cat? Ooh, okay, that's a tricky one. Actually, I would rather be a cat. Seriously, I mean, cats have 9 lives, but my mom told me that cats only have 1 life because people think that cats have 9 lives. And besides, cats have the ability to climb trees, but dogs, on the other hand, not so much. I mean, before they oh, would you screw that? Screw this. I'm going with over here. You know, that's all for this time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. And in the next video, I'm going to do who the Stronger Than You version of my version of Stronger Than You. Alright?